Good morning, everybody. Paper number 11, Physical Chemistry. The topic is electromotive force. So, last time we have already seen electrode concentration cells. So, we have already seen reversible to cation and reversible to anion. So, the EMF equation for electrode concentration cell, which is reversible to cation, EC is equal to 2.03 RT by NF log of A1 by A2. If you consider instead of activities A1 and A2 by considering the hydrogen gas electrode, this A1 and A2 which it changes to P1 P2, so its equation becomes EC is equal to 2.03 RT by NF log of P1 by P2, which is reversible to cation. And when we consider reversible to anion, this P1 by P2 becomes P2 by P1. So EC is equal to 2.03 RT by NF log of P2 by P1. So this is related to electrode concentration cell, which is reversible to cation and reversible to anion. Now let's start with the electrolyte concentration cell, that is without a transference. So electrolyte concentration cell without transference. So there are two cells, cell 1 and cell 2, and by combine both these cells there is a formation of electrolyte concentration cell without a transference. So for that cell first, which is considered chemical cell without transference, we already know the chemical cell without transference, its equation is here. So cell 1 that is platinum hydrogen gas HCl, AgCl, Ag solid. So this is Ag solid, this is AgCl solid, this is hydrogen gas electrode, this is HCl having activity A1. So this is the chemical cell without transference, आपण पूर्वी बघितलेला आहे. तर याच्या बाबतच्या सेल रिॲक्शन, the cell reactions which takes place in the chemical cell without transference. So at LHS there is a hydrogen gas electrode, oxidation process takes place and there is a loss of electron. So half H2 gives H plus 1 electron. So loss of electron oxidation, and this electron gained by AgCl solid, and it splits into Ag plus, that is Ag solids, and this electron goes towards chlorine to form Cl minus ions. So this is right hand side reaction, which is reduction reaction, and in that cell reaction one electron gets cancelled, half H2 gas plus AgCl solid, it gives Ag solid plus HCl. Now what is the EMF equation for that? We have already seen EC1. So here is EC1 for cell, that is equal to E0C1 minus 2.03 RT by F log of A1. So if you consider the reaction quotient, activity of RHS divided by activity of LHS. So activity of all solids that are 1. So activity of Ag solid is 1, activity of Ag solid is 1, and the pressure of hydrogen is 1 atmosphere. That's why the hydrogen this is also 1. So only the remaining term, that is log of HCl, and HCl having activity A1. So the equation for EMF, it becomes EC1 is equal to E0C1 minus 2.03 RT by F log of A1, and this is the related equation number 1. म्हणजेच इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन सेल, त्याला दोन केमिकल सेल्स विथ ट्रान्सफरन्स लागतात. पहिला सेल आपण बघितला, त्याची इक्वेशन्स बघितली, नेट सेल रिॲक्शन काढली, आणि इक्वेशन आपण पहिल्याचं लिहिलं E C1 इज इक्वल टू E0C1 minus 2.03 RT by F log of A1. So this is about cell first. Now if you consider cell second, so again there is a hydrogen gas electrode, again there is silver chloride electrode, again there is HCl, but HCl having activity A2. In cell 1, the cell is similar to that but having activity of HCl, that is equal to A1, but here activity is A2. In similar manner, the reaction hydrogen gas electrode, oxidation takes place, here reduction takes place, and in similar manner the final equation is half H2 gas plus AgCl solid, it gives Ag solid plus HCl having activity A2. So same reaction is repeated here, half H2 gas plus AgCl solid, it gives AgCl solid plus HCl. Now the EMF equation similar to that of cell first, EC2 is equal to E0C2 minus 2.0 RT by F log of A2. So instead of log of A1, there is log of A2. So consider two cells, cell first. So EMF equation for cell first is EC1 is equal to E0C1 minus 2.0 RT by F log of A1. In similar manner, there is a second cell having HCl activity A2, and the EMF equation for that EC2 is equal to E0C2 minus 2.03 RT by F log of A2. So by considering these two cells, or by combining these two cells, there is a formation of electrolyte concentration cell without transference. Now the cell 3, that is combination of first and second. So first cell is our like this. This is hydrogen gas electrode, HCl having activity A2, AgCl, Ag. And both this cell is connected to the second cell having सिल्वर आपण एकत्र आणलेले आहेत आणि हा सेल काय केलेला कनेक्ट केलेला. सो एजी सॉलिड ऑब्लिक एजी सेल सॉलिड HCl having activity A2, and this is the hydrogen gas. So both the cells are connected through this silver electrode having AgH. Now what happens here, that is overall reaction 1 minus reaction 2. So our reaction 1 is half H2 gas plus AgCl solid, it gives Ag solid plus HCl having activity A1 minus the net cell reaction of second cell half H2 gas. Here is the second cell reaction, half H2 gas minus AgCl solid, it gives AgCl solid minus HCl A2. सो रिॲक्शन 1 minus 2, त्यामुळे ही रिॲक्शन सेकंड रिॲक्शन आहे, ती सेकंड रिॲक्शन सगळी काय झालेलं आहे, मायनस झालेलं आहे. हाफ H2 gas minus half H2 gas gets cancelled. AgCl solid plus AgCl minus solid gets cancelled. Ag solid minus Ag solid gets cancelled. And what remains here? HCl A1 minus HCl A2. So activities are different, A1 and A2. So they remains as it is. So in the right side of the net cell reaction, there is a HCl having activity A1 minus HCl having activity A2. If you take this HCl minus HCl A2 to this side, it becomes HCl having activity A2, it gives HCl having activity A1. This is the net cell reaction for electrolyte concentration cell without a transference. So HCl having activity A2, it gives HCl having activity A1. So this is the net cell reaction. Now what is the equation for EMFs? Go to the slide number 3. Similar EMF, EC is equal to EC1 minus EC2. So EMF of the cell first, that is minus 2.03 RT by F log of A1 to the base 10. हे सेल फर्स्ट EMF इक्वेशन आपण बघितलेलं आहे. आता सेल फर्स्ट EMF इक्वेशन काय होतं, EC1 इज इक्वल टू E0C1 मायनस 2.03 लॉग ऑफ A1 असं होतं. आणि EC2चं इक्वेशन EC2 इज इक्वल टू E0C2 मायनस 2.03 RT बाय NF लॉग ऑफ A2 अशा पद्धतीत होतं. आता दोन्हीकडे E0C1 आहे आणि इकडे E0C2 आहे. आता E0C1 म्हणजेच काय, ER मायनस EL. आपण बघतो E0ची व्हॅल्यू ER मायनस EL. तर ER मायनस EL दोन्हीकडे सेम सेल असल्यामुळेच थर्ड सेल जर आपण बघितला, हा सेल आणि हा सेल सेमच आहे, त्यामुळे E0C1 आणि E0C2 ह्याच्या व्हॅल्यू सगळ्या काय झालेल्या आहेत, निग्लेक्ट झालेल्या आहेत, झिरो झालेल्या आहेत, म्हणताना हे इक्वेशन उरलेलं. सो EC इज इक्वल टू मायनस 2.03 RT by F log of A1 minus EC2. So here this is sign minus, and into bracket there is the value of EC2 minus 2.03 RT by F log of A2. So this minus minus becomes plus, and the equation can becomes EC is equal to, that is total cell EMF, that is equal to 2.03 RT by F log of A2. This becomes plus, and this is minus 2.03 RT by F log of A1. So here is the common term 2.03 RT by F, 2.03 RT by F gets here 2.03 RT by F, and into bracket there is log A2 minus log A1, and log A2 minus log A1, it becomes log A2 by A1. So this is the EMF equation for electrolyte concentration cell without transference. EC is equal to 2.03 RT by F log of A2 divided by A1. So this is the EMF equation. Now in terms of ॲक्टिव्हिटी कोइफिशियंट्स, ॲक्टिव्हिटी कोइफिशियंट हा एक नवीन पार्ट येतो होतो, त्या भाषेमध्ये आता आपण बघतो. पूर्णपणे कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करा लेक्चरवर. नो फॉर HCl जर आपण बघितला तर तो ब्रेक अशा पद्धतीनं होतं, H प्लस प्लस Cl मायनस HCl, इट गिव्स H प्लस प्लस Cl मायनस. हिअर द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ X इज इक्वल टू 1. X इज इक्वल टू 1 म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ कॅटायन्स. याच्यामध्ये नंबर ऑफ कॅटायन्स किती आहेत, तर एकच आपल्याला H प्लस दिसतो. आणि Y इज इक्वल टू 1, दॅट इज नंबर ऑफ NN, म्हणजे NNची संख्या आणि कॅटायनची संख्या. ह्या संख्या किती आहेत, याला X म्हणतो आपण कॅटायनला, आणि Y म्हणतो आपण NNला. सो नंबर ऑफ कॅटायन्स अँड एनियन्स. सो आवर फॉर्म्युला इज हिअर कॉल्ड ॲज ॲक्टिव्हिटी कोइफिशियंट. सो आपण एच्या माध्यमातून A1 आणि A2च्या व्हॅल्यू काय करणार आहोत, इथे बघणार आहोत त्याचे डेटर. तर त्याचा फॉर्म्युला ए इज इक्वल टू X रेस टू X, Y रेस टू Y, M रेस टू X प्लस Y, अँड गॅमा रेस टू X प्लस Y. परत एक वेळा बघा, activity coefficient A is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, m raised to x plus y, gamma raised to x plus y. आता x ची व्हॅल्यू इथे किती आहे, नंबर ऑफ कॅटायन्स 1, y ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1. सो x raised to x that is 1 raised to 1, y raised to y that is 1 raised to 1, m raised to x plus y that is 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2, so m raised to 2, and gamma raised to x plus y, so x plus y 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2, so gamma raised to 2. So A is equal to, our formula is again, so 1 raised to 1 1, 1 raised to 1 1, so it becomes m raised to 2 gamma raised to 2, so m square gamma square, and it can be written as A is equal to m gamma raised to square. So m gamma raised to square, it becomes m raised to 2 gamma raised to 2. So A is equal to m gamma raised to 2. So A is equal to m gamma raised to 2. So A1, what is the value of A1 in terms of A? A1 is equal to m1 gamma 1 raised to 2. A म्हणजेच काय, m gamma raised to 2. A1ला काय आलं, m1 gamma 1 raised to 2. Similarly, A2 is equal to m2 gamma 2 raised to 2. तर ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी कोएफिशियंटची व्हॅल्यू आहे. सो EC इज इक्वल टू 2.03 RT by F log of A2 by A1. आपलं ही EMFची इक्वेशन आलेलं आहे. A2ची व्हॅल्यू काय आली, m2 gamma 2 raised to 2, इथे सबस्टिट्यूट केली. A1ची व्हॅल्यू काय आली, m1 gamma 1 raised to 2, ती सुद्धा आपण काय केली, इथं सबस्टिट्यूट केलेलं. सो EC इज इक्वल टू 2.03 RT by F log of, काय केलं, ह्या सगळ्याला याचा स्क्वेअर याचा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे टोटल याचा स्क्वेअर m2 gamma 2 raised to डिवायडेड बाय m1 gamma 1 raised to 2 असं इक्वेशन झालं. आता 2.03 RT by F याची व्हॅल्यू किती असते, 0.0591 ॲट 298 केल्विन, हे सगळ्यांना माहीत आहे. तर याची व्हॅल्यू 0.0591, आणि हा जो 2 आहे raised to 2 तो इथे घेतला मी. 2 into 0.0591 into log of m2 gamma 2 divided by m1 gamma 1 हे झालं. आणि ह्याचा जर आपण प्रॉडक्ट केला तर EC इज इक्वल टू 0.1182. 0.0591 multiplied by 2 that is equal to 0.1182 log of m2 gamma 2 divided by m1 gamma 1. So this equation, this is the equation for electrolyte concentration cell without a transfer. So in this equation, m2 and m1 are the molarities of the solution, and gamma 2 and gamma 1 are the activity coefficients of the electrolyte. So you substitute both the values here, you can get EMF of the cell. So EC is equal to 0.1182 log of m2 gamma 2 divided by m1 gamma 1. परीक्षेला असा क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो, derive an EMF equation for electrolyte concentration cell without a transfer. हा 10 मार्कासाठी पूर्ण मोठा क्वेश्चन विचारला जाऊ शकतो. फारसा अवघड नाही आहे. पूर्वीच्या जर तुमच्या कल्पना सगळ्या बेसिक कन्सेप्ट जर क्लिअर असतील, पूर्वीचे लेक्चर्स परत बघा, तर हे तुम्हाला सहज सोपं जातं. इक्वेशन्स आहेत सगळे सोप्या पद्धतीने इथे सॉल्व्ह करून दाखवलेले आहेत. सगळं व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करा, सगळं व्यवस्थित आत्तापर्यंतचा टॉपिक कवर करा, एक्झाम्पल ज्या त्यावेळी घेतलेले आहेत. घरीच राहा, स्वस्थ राहा, आपल्या शेजारच्यांना सांगा, आपल्या घरच्यांची काळजी घ्या. हॅव ए गुड डे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.